We're about to save you $1,500 on your next Disney vacation. Hi, I'm Jen.
And I'm Katie. We're from Disney with Dave's Daughters. We've been going to Disney with our dad since we were little girls, and now we're sharing all his expert planning tips with you.
Before your Disney trip, it is so easy to get sucked into buying all those must-have items that people swear you need. Social media, packing lists, Facebook groups, they all make it feel like you need to spend hundreds of dollars before you even step foot into the park. But really, you don't.
Yeah, and that's exactly why we want to break down the things you truly do not need to buy before your trip. Skipping these can save your family anywhere from a couple $100s to well over $1,000, and your trip will still be just as magical.
Let's start with magic bands, because this is one that people panic about. We love them, but they're absolutely not necessary. For a family of 5, that's at least $175 that you could save. Instead, you can get a free key to the world card at your Disney resort at the front desk, or honestly just use your phone through the My Disney Experience app.
It's definitely an expense you don't need to spend. Another big one is Memory Maker. Disney makes us feel like something you have to buy, but you really don't. You can ask any PhotoPass photographer in the parks to take pictures of you on your phone for free. And if you're already purchasing lightning lanes, the ride photos are included anyway. That alone can save another $185.
And let's talk clothes for a second. You do not need a whole new Disney wardrobe. We clearly love themed outfits too, but chances are you already have shorts and t-shirts in your closet that work perfectly. If you start buying matching shirts for every single park day, that adds up so quick.
Exactly. For a family of 5, even just $15 shirts for 4 park days is around $300. The same goes for new walking shoes. Unless you genuinely need new sneakers, do not buy them just for Disney. New shoes can actually make things worse if they're not broken in, so this is a no-brainer for us. We always recommend bringing 2 comfortable pairs of shoes you already own and alternating them.
The next one might be controversial. Loungefly backpacks and Mickey ears. They're so cute, but they're definitely not necessary. You probably already own a backpack or a sling bag that works just fine.
And the ears are fun, but not necessary. Ears can add up way faster than people realize. If you budget for 4 pairs, that's about $80 right there. Super fun?
Yes.
Yes. Necessary? Absolutely not.
Same thing with autograph books and trading pins. You do not need the Disney branded version. Bring a notebook from home, a photo mat, or even use note cards if you forget.
And pin trading starter kits are expensive.
So expensive.
You have to get the Disney branded ones. For 3 kids, that can be around $150. Honestly, your kids won't even know what they're missing if you skip it and use that money for snacks or souvenirs they'll enjoy more.
One of the biggest money traps is character dining. Yes, it's fun, but it's not something you must do to have a magical trip.
Exactly. For a family of 5, that can easily be around $275 for dinner before tax and tip. And remember, you can still meet characters in the parks without paying for the dining experience.
Same goes for expensive rain gear and Disney-themed travel accessories. You do not need special Disney luggage, packing cubes, zipper pouches, or those fancy Disney metal water bottles.
Not necessary. Use what you already have at home. A simple poncho, your normal suitcase, Ziploc bags, and your everyday water bottle work perfectly. Save that money for things that actually matter. Your hotel, food, tickets, and things like lightning lanes.
Disney is magical all on its own. You do not need the extra hype purchases to make that trip extra special.
Spend the money on the experiences, not the pre-trip panic shopping. We will link our post below that shows how we came up with our $1,500, and be sure to follow along for more Disney planning tips. Cheers to the magic.